How have COPD chronic cough treatments evolved historically? Imagine a time when treating a cough meant just resting or using simple remedies. Over the years, how doctors have approached chronic cough and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease has changed dramatically. It all started in the early 1900s when treatments mainly focused on easing breathing and fighting infections. Doctors used antibiotics in the 1950s to clear mucus buildup that caused coughs to worsen. They also used mucus-thinning medicines like potassium chloride and bronchodilators, such as theophylline, to relax airway muscles. Inhalers with epinephrine and isoprenaline came into use to open airways quickly, especially for sudden breathing troubles. These inhalers became common in homes after the late 1950s, making relief more accessible. When the term chronic obstructive pulmonary disease was officially recognized in the late 1950s, it helped unify research and treatment methods. During this time, systemic corticosteroids were rarely used because of worries about side effects. The 1960s brought new hope with mechanical ventilators that helped patients breathe during severe flare-ups, improving survival chances. Around the same period, inhaled bronchodilators and corticosteroids started to be used more often. Long-acting medications like beta-agonists and muscarinic antagonists provided longer-lasting relief, helping reduce cough severity and frequency. Oxygen therapy became a key part of treatment in the 1960s and 1980s, especially for advanced COPD. Long-term oxygen therapy improved survival and made breathing easier, which also helped lessen coughing episodes. Pulmonary rehabilitation programs, which include exercise and education, were initially met with skepticism but later proved helpful. They helped patients breathe better and cut down on cough and other symptoms. In recent decades, treatment shifted toward combination inhalers that include corticosteroids, long-acting beta-agonists, and long-acting muscarinic antagonists. These help reduce airway inflammation, improve airflow, and lessen cough and mucus. Newer drugs like roflumilast target inflammation directly, aiming to control cough better. Despite all these advances, fully stopping cough remains a challenge, and research continues. Overall, treatment for chronic cough in COPD has grown from simple remedies to complex, multi-drug approaches. This progress reflects how much we now understand about the disease and the importance of managing cough as a major symptom.